Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, this is Chess Class 5 English and today's topic is Mate in 1 Rook Checkmate. Friends, in this series, I'm going to teach chess from beginner level to master level. So if you know someone who want to learn chess and who don't know anything about chess, then you can share my videos to them. And friends, if you want your kids to learn abacus and do multiple number calculation in mind within seconds, or you want your kids to learn coding and become a game designer or app designer in their early childhood age, then don't forget to book a free demo class in our institute, Ava Academy. The phone number is displayed in the screen. So now let us start the class. Friends, the topic for today is Mate in 1 Rook Checkmate. Mate in 1 means in one move you have to give checkmate to the opponent. Okay. And Mate in 1 Rook Checkmate means Rook will be giving checkmate to the opponent's king. The situation is ready, friends. It is White's turn and White Rook will give checkmate to Black King. Okay. Pause the video, friend, and think how it is possible. And after 1 or 2 minutes, when you will get the answer, then again play and hear the explanation. Now I'm sure you got the answer, friends. Now let us discuss. See, Rook A2, if it will go to A8, then from here it can give check to the king. Now if the king will go here or here, the rook can cut straight. And if the rook will go in the front line, then the king will cut. So this is a rook checkmate. Now the next situation, friends. Today we are going to discuss 6 situations, okay? Yes, situation is ready, friends. Now you start thinking how white rook can give checkmate to black king just in one move, okay? Pause the video and start thinking. Friends, I'm sure now you got the answer. Now let us discuss. See, if the rook A1 will go to A8, then it can give attack, it can give check to the king, black king. Now, king cannot go in the front line, so it cannot go here. Now, if the king goes here or here, then the rook will cut straight. So this is a rook checkmate. Okay, king cannot go in the front line, and if the king goes here or here, in all the 3 squares the rook can cut. So there is no option. So this is a rook checkmate. Now next situation, friends. I'm sure you are getting the answer on all these situations. Friends, this is the first class of situations, so the situations are very easy, but slowly I will increase the difficulty level, okay? Yes, friends, situation is ready. Now start thinking. Pause the video and start thinking, and when you will get the answer, then click on play button and listen my explanation, okay? I'm sure, friends, now you got the answer. Now let us discuss. Friends, see, if this rook C2 will go to C8, then from here it can give check to the king. Now, if the king go to F8 or H8, in all the 3 squares the rook can cut. And if the king will go to G7, then the pawn can cut diagonally. And no piece is there which can cut this rook. So this is a checkmate. Now let us discuss the next situation. Yes, friends. Situation is ready. It is white's turn and mate in 1 rook checkmate. Rook will be giving check to black king. Now stop the video and start thinking what will be the answer. Once you will get the answer, then you can play again and discuss. We can discuss, okay? Friends, I'm sure you got the answer. Now see, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is rook h1 will go to h8. See, from here, this rook can give check to the king. Now, if the king goes here or here, the rook can cut straight. And if king will go in the front line, then this rook will cut. So this is a checkmate. Few friends may be thinking that this rook can go to a8 and give check to the king. But this is a wrong answer. Why? Because if rook a7 will go to a8, from here it will give attack. Then the king can go in this square line, okay? Either d7 or e7 or f7 and be safe, okay? But if this rook will block this squares and this rook will attack the king, then it will be a checkmate. So this is a correct answer. Next. Yes, friends, situation is ready. Now start thinking. I'm sure, friends, now you got the answer. So let us discuss. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is rook h3 will go to a3. And from here, it will give check to the king. Now, if the king goes here, then the rook can cut. If the king goes here, then the king will cut. Okay, so this is a checkmate. Few students may be thinking that the rook will go here and from here it can give check. But no, friends, this is a wrong answer. If the rook will go here and from here it will attack, then the king can go to a7 and be safe. Okay, but if the rook will attack from a3, then the king is not having any option to escape. So it will be a checkmate. Yes, friends, situation is ready. Now start thinking. Pause the video, start thinking. And when you will get the answer, then you can play again. Friends, I'm sure now you got the answer. So now let us discuss. See, the correct answer is rook c3 will go to a1. If this rook will go to a1 and from here it will give check to the king, then if the king goes here or here, then the rook can cut straight. And if we'll go in b8 or b6, then the knight will cut. No other place is there to escape. So this is a checkmate. Friends, I hope you understood today's topic. What you can do is first you understand all the situations. First you try to get the correct answer. If you will not get the correct answer, then also it's okay. You just understand when I'm explaining, okay? Then after, take the screenshot of each and every situation and practice at home. In next class, again, we will be doing the next situations. And friends, in the starting of the classes, the situations will be little bit easy and slowly I will increase the difficulty level. And friends, if you really like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. When you like, share and subscribe the channel, then we get motivation to upload more and more videos, right? So please, friend, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.